Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Luma English Studio. I'm Luma.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone.
Okay, quick question. Someone asks you, hey, what does your day look like? And you freeze.
You know the answer, but the English words don't come out.
That feeling, we know it. And today, we fix it.
In the next 15 minutes, you will be able to describe your full day in English.
Morning, afternoon, evening, all of it.
Real phrases, simple sentences, natural English.
Let's go. Let's start with the morning, the first part of your day.
First word, wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes, to start your day.
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
I wake up at 6 every single day.
6? That's early, Luma.
I know, but I love mornings.
I do not love mornings.
Everyone, say this sentence. I wake up at.
Fill in your time. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 8.
What time do you wake up? Write it in the comments.
Next word, get up.
Get up means to leave your bed, to stand up.
Wake up and get up. Are they the same?
No! Listen carefully. You wake up, your eyes open. But you get up, your body leaves the bed.
So I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30?
Exactly. Jack wakes up, then stays in bed for 30 minutes.
It's called relaxing, Luma.
It's called being lazy, Jack.
Potato, potato.
Everyone, wake up and get up. 2 different things. Remember that.
Next, brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth every morning. Please.
We are begging you.
The verb here is brush. I brush my teeth. She brushes her teeth.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes every morning.
Good habit, Jack.
Thank you. I try.
Next phrase, take a shower or take a bath. Shower is quick. Bath is slow and relaxing.
I take a shower every morning. 5 minutes. Fast and done.
I take a shower too, but I also wash my hair every 2 days.
Wash your hair. W-A-S-H. Wash means to clean with water.
I wash my face. I wash my hands. I wash my hair.
Wash is a very useful verb. Use it every day.
Next, get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
I get dressed after my shower.
I get dressed very fast because I choose my clothes the night before.
Oh, that is a great tip. Choose your clothes the night before. Save time in the morning.
Life hack. You're welcome, everyone.
And the last morning phrase, eat breakfast.
Or have breakfast. Both are correct.
I eat breakfast every morning. Breakfast is very important.
What do you eat, Luma?
I eat oatmeal with fruit. Simple and healthy.
I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes just toast and coffee.
Coffee is not breakfast, Jack.
In my world, it is.
Everyone, let's review the morning phrases. Repeat after us.
Wake up.
Get up.
Brush your teeth.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Eat breakfast.
6 phrases. All morning. All very useful.
Now, let's put the morning together in full sentences.
Listen to my morning routine. Full sentences, natural English.
Go ahead, Jack.
Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. First, I brush my teeth. Then I take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed. And finally, I eat breakfast. I'm ready for the day.
Beautiful. Did you hear those connecting words?
First, then, after that, finally.
These words connect your sentences. They make your English sound natural and smooth.
First, you start with the first thing.
Then, the next thing.
After that, another thing.
Finally, the last thing.
Use these 4 words every time you describe a routine.
Now your turn. Pause this video, say your morning routine out loud.
Use the words first, then, after that, finally.
Try it. Speaking out loud is the fastest way to improve.
We'll wait.
Okay, we won't actually wait, but please try it after the episode.
And write your morning routine in the comments. We love reading them.
Okay, afternoon time. After morning comes afternoon.
Afternoon is from 12 to 5, roughly.
New phrase. Go to work.
I go to work at 9 in the morning.
Or start work. I start work at 9.
Both mean the same thing. You begin your job.
Next, have lunch.
Or eat lunch. Same meaning.
I have lunch at 12:30.
I eat lunch at 1. Sometimes at my desk, sometimes outside.
Eating outside is better, Jack. Fresh air is good for you.
I know, I try.
Next important phrase. Take a break.
Take a break means to stop working for a short time.
I take a break at 3 o'clock every day.
Taking breaks is important. Your brain needs rest.
Even 5 minutes. Stand up, walk, stretch.
Stretch means to move your body, to extend your arms and legs.
I stretch every afternoon. It helps me feel better.
Stretch is a great verb. I stretch in the morning, she stretches after work.
Next phrase. Check emails.
Check means to look at, to review.
I check my emails in the morning and afternoon.
I check my phone too much. That's my problem.
Everyone checks their phone too much, Jack. You're not alone.
Next, finish work.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Or get off work. Same meaning. I get off work at 5.
What time do you finish work or school? Tell us in the comments.
We want to know your schedule.
Let's review afternoon phrases. Repeat.
Go to work.
Have lunch.
Take a break.
Stretch.
Check emails.
Finish work.
6 more phrases. You now know 12 phrases total.
Almost done with the day. Evening time now.
Evening is from 5 to 9, roughly.
First phrase, come home.
I come home at 5:30 every day.
Or get home. I get home at 5:30.
Come home and get home. Same meaning.
Next, cook dinner.
Or make dinner. I make dinner at 6 o'clock.
I cook dinner every night. I love cooking.
I don't love cooking. I order food sometimes.
Order food means you call a restaurant or use an app. They bring food to you.
Very useful phrase in modern life.
I order food on busy days when I'm too tired to cook.
Tired. Tired. Tired means you have no energy. You need rest.
I am tired after a long day of teaching.
I am tired after a long day of making Luma laugh.
Being Jack sounds exhausting.
It really is.
Next phrase, watch TV or watch a show.
I watch TV for 1 hour in the evening.
I watch one episode of a show. Then I stop.
Just 1 episode? How?
Self-control, Jack. Look it up.
Self-control. Noted.
Next, go for a walk.
I go for a walk after dinner. Every evening.
Go for a walk means to walk outside for exercise or relaxation.
Walking after dinner is very healthy.
I go for a walk too. I love the evening air.
Next phrase, get ready for bed.
Get ready for bed means to prepare to sleep.
What do you do to get ready for bed, Luma?
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I change into comfortable clothes.
Change means to put on different clothes?
I change into my pajamas every night.
Pajamas.
P-A-J-A-M-A-S.
Comfortable clothes for sleeping.
And the last phrase of the day, go to sleep.
Or go to bed. Same meaning.
I go to sleep at 10:30 every night.
I go to bed at 11, sometimes later.
Jack, sleep is important.
I know.
Everyone, good sleep makes everything better. Your mood, your energy, your English learning.
Even your English improves when you sleep well. Your brain processes information during sleep.
So sleep is not lazy. Sleep is productive.
Rest is productive, and we mean it.
And we will say it again. Okay, evening phrases review. Repeat.
Come home.
Cook dinner.
Watch TV.
Go for a walk.
Get ready for bed.
Go to sleep.
6 evening phrases. You now know 18 phrases total.
Okay, everyone. Now let's put the whole day together.
I'll do my full routine. Listen carefully. Natural sentences, real English.
Go, Jack.
Every day, I wake up at 6:30. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I take a shower and get dressed. After that, I eat breakfast. I go to work at 8:30. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I take a short break in the afternoon and stretch. I finish work at 5. I come home and cook dinner. In the evening, I go for a walk. Then, I watch one episode of a show. Finally, I get ready for bed and go to sleep at 11.
Perfect. That is a complete daily routine in English.
Natural, simple, real.
Did you notice? Every sentence has a verb.
Wake up. Brush. Wash. Take. Get dressed. Eat. Go. Have. Finish. Come. Cook. Walk. Watch. Sleep.
All action verbs. All things you do every day.
Verbs are the most important part of English sentences.
No verb, no sentence. Remember that.
Now, your challenge.
Write your full daily routine in the comments below.
Use the phrases we learned today.
Use the connecting words. First, then, after that, finally.
Even 2 or 3 sentences is perfect. Don't worry about being perfect.
We read every comment. Every single one.
Quick review. All the phrases from today. Say them with us.
Morning. Wake up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast.
Afternoon. Go to work. Have lunch. Take a break. Stretch. Check emails. Finish work.
Evening. Come home. Cook dinner. Watch TV. Go for a walk. Get ready for bed. Go to sleep.
18 phrases. 1 episode. Amazing.
And 4 connecting words. First, then, after that, finally.
Use these every day. In your head, out loud, in the comments.
The more you use them, the more natural they become.
That is how language works. Repetition, practice, real-life use. Before we go, I want to say something important.
Go ahead, Luma.
Your English is like a daily routine itself.
What do you mean?
Every day, you do small things. Brush your teeth, eat breakfast, go to work.
Yes, small things, every day.
Your English is the same. Every day, you learn one phrase, one word, one sentence.
Small steps, every single day.
You don't see it growing, but one day, You look back and you think, wow, I can speak English now.
That day is coming, I promise.
Keep going. Even on the hard days, even when it feels slow.
You are making progress. Right now, in this moment.
And we are so proud of you for being here.
And if this episode helped you today, please give it a like. Subscribe to Luma English Studio so you never miss an episode.
Share it with one friend who is learning English.
Just one friend. You know who.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing. You are doing amazing.